Right, testing. 1, 2. Just want to make sure that we're live. And that my audio is working as well. Right, testing 1, 2. Oh Lord.
Right, testing 1, 2.
All right, so news has just come out as well. We've just had some. What's this news called? So we just had the core PPI news just came out on USD. So what am I looking for gold right now? So we are definitely in an uptrend on gold. You see, funny enough, I should have held this trade. How far did this go? All right, so yeah, 300 pips. So this was a position that I took yesterday. Price literally just shot up, which is quite good. What are we expecting now for gold? I am expecting gold to really test its all-time high level at the moment, but if we do get a candlestick closure below our temporary support level, then I'll be looking out for sales on gold. So look, let me just show you. So right now we're not far from our all-time high level at all from gold, which is pretty much nice. Let's go on the 4-hour time frame. Price is broken above our 4-hour resistance level, which is good. We are still in the uptrend. Mainly want to look for pullback so we can get in for a buy position. Pullback towards the downside would be great. 1 hour. Wow, look at that. All right, so we might have a buy position. Right, great opportunity could be happening right now. So if this candlestick closes as a hammer, then I am going to be looking out for buys on gold. If I'll be honest with you, might be able to get a 100 pip move on gold, depending on how this candlestick close. And I'll be honest with you, this is not bad. With a stop loss at price at 2.94 or around 43 pips, that's not bad. So hopefully we can get in on a buy position on gold, all depending on how this next candlestick close. So we're just going to get all our trades ready. Oh wow, that is literally just declining. All right, so we might not even get that happening then. Don't look like we're going to get that happening then. All right, so we're just going to wait for the next candlestick. I'm going to have a look at German 40. But I haven't traded this for a hot minute, for like 2 weeks now. Have we got any nice move? Not really. It's a couple big moves here. That's a nice big move here. What? Push towards the outside we haven't had. Oh, right. So that's the beauty of waiting for the candlestick to close. So right, this looks like it's ready to go. Cool. Wow. Oh, this is making it a bigger stop loss. All right, cool. People, let's get ready. We're gonna go for a buy position on gold. Yeah, we're going and buy for gold. All right, so we're going buy for gold. We're going live with this trade. We're gonna buy. Just gonna go buy. Ooh. All right, we're going for a buy on gold. All right, so now we've got buy position on gold. Remember, I don't really like to do my stop loss higher, anything than 60, but 63 is not bad because it's in that region. Because it's a decent trade setup. So look, took a live trade on gold. So hopefully, yeah, we're just gonna wait and see. I would love if I can screen share and show you my accounts that I'm on, but it's hard. But all right, cool. We're just taking this live trade anyway. We take this trade by trade at 9.940, and let's see if this can hold. So that's going to be our stop loss at 29.40. Ooh, that is 70 pips on one of my accounts. That's a big stop loss, you know. 70 pips. Very big, very big. That is very big. Alright, no problem. Alright, see, that's why it's crazy, because I'm trading multiple accounts, and obviously one of them is going to be at a high stop loss. So on my funding net stop loss, well, let me see what the stop loss is at. 57 pips. So wow, within that space, the market has jumped. Cool. All right, cool. So we're going to see how this trade plays out. Like I said, we are in a nice uptrend. But the way this candlestick, if this closes as a shooting star, that's going to be bad news for us, and we're probably going to get stopped out, if I'll be honest with you. If that candlestick closes like that, then yeah, we're probably getting stopped out. There's not even no question need to be asked about that. But yeah, let's go. Let's just see how this trade plays out, and we take it from there. So remember, people, our stop loss is at 29.40. We want to hold this trade for 100 pips. Cool. Let's see how this plays out. 29.40. If this, on my main account, my live account, so basically, if we do win this trade on our live account, we're going to not trade no more on my live account. And then tomorrow, I'll be having a trading session will be my prop firm accounts. So I like to trade. These are the times I like to trade from, literally from 7 to 9 in the morning, London session, during London GMT time. Because remember, I'm from London, so I like to base my times. We're trading from London time zone. And then when it gets to the afternoon, anything from like 1 o'clock to basically to 7 o'clock, I will trade. But like I would say, ideally from 1 to 3, and then obviously I'm not going to sit at the screen for the rest of the day. I'll go and enjoy my day, and then rest of the day I have my setups, and I'll probably be taking trades from my phones or my iPad. So yeah, it's perfect. So ideally, I would say anything from 12 to 3 is when I start trading. So obviously we've got to wait for New York session to open. So a New York session should open at 1. And then yeah. But obviously we had news this morning. We had news at afternoon at 12:30. So we should be right for the rest of the day, if I'll be honest with you. So don't forget, man, join me. Just join me. I'm gonna be trying to do every Thursday from literally from 12 o'clock. I'm live trading from 12 o'clock all the way to 3 o'clock. And as time goes on, I might start to do more days, but we'll get there. It all depends. It all depends. But what I really want to gain from this is that I want everyone to understand how I look at the market and how I trade it. So this, cool. Let me put a tweet out that I'm live as well. Don't forget, join me on all the social media platforms. Got a tweet out that I'm live. Wow. All right, cool. So this is not even. Just gotta wait. It's a waiting game. Just gotta let the market play out. Yeah, so obviously, that kind of stick close like that, that's not looking good. I'll be honest with you, that's our stop loss is definitely going to get hit. If that closes like that, we're probably are going to get stop loss is probably definitely going to get hit, if I'll be honest with you. And then what the next problem is this just the because obviously NY session is just opening and now they're just going to force the market, push down, hit our stop loss, find some support around this, find some support around this area, and then push back up, and then look to hit our TP. But if not, yeah, this can close below and start making its way towards this downside, if I'll be honest with you. And it does look like, yeah, this one's a tricky one. Let's get on the 1 hour. I did think, could we touch our all-time high today? We'll go touch it today. It's a big ask, if I'll be honest with you. But yeah, this is tricky. Probably not one of the best days. To be fair, this week's been rocky for me as well. Yeah. All right, cool. We'll just go wait and see how this trade plays out. But like I said, ideally, if we do get stopped out, where would I look to? For instance, if you know me, I don't really like to sell gold. Like I said, I don't believe. Yeah, gold. When I look at my trade log, I had more consistent wins when I buy than rather than when I sell. But at the moment, yeah. So we've got a pin bar on the 4 hour, and this looked like this could easily change to a shooting star on the 4 hour. So remember, all right, cool. The 1 hour candlestick closes in the next few minutes. This could literally easily spike down, take out our stop loss, and shoot up towards the upside, or literally just have a drop. Ideally, this looked like it wants to have the drop, if I'll be honest with you. Oh dear, we missed the actual move this morning. This was the move here. I did actually see this trade, but I didn't even take it. All right, cool. Gotta wait and see how this trade plays out, man. I don't know why. I have a funny feeling. I feel like it just wants to take out our stop loss, then come shoot back up towards the upside. Like I said, look at this candlestick formation. This is a strong indication that buyers were ready to take control. Had the push, further push down. Nice hammer form. Price should have really pushed up. Like I said, if we did break this resistant level, then I was expecting price to go and hit our TP. But at the moment, it hasn't. So, yeah, yeah, hasn't at all. Has not at all. It's a weird one. It's definitely a weird one. But this shooting star, I'm not gonna lie, this is what I'm worried about. Is obviously markets had this shooting star. Yeah. Ask me, yeah, with these two, yeah. All right, cool. There we go. Probably, yeah, cool, perfect. I'm not just gonna say perfect, but like, so these are the sessions that I like, live trading sessions where you look and see where I do lose trades. Like, not every day is a winning day. Like, I do have losing days, and today look like it's gonna be one of those days where I'm having a losing day. I mean, we're gonna have a lost trade. Ideally, before, when I used to see a shooting star, I would just get out. But I've learned to control my emotions. That the stop loss is there for a reason. If it's gonna hit, it's gonna hit. Like, you can't just like play about with it. Like, it plays with the emotions too much. So yeah, this is gonna hit, man. Yeah, that's gonna hit. Oh, lay. All right, cool. No problem. We just gotta go again. That's what I can say. Find another trade to go out, and that's it. Simple. It's part of trading, my friend. Yeah, this is part of the game, man. Yeah, ideally this because of the 1 hour candle. Yeah, this. Yeah, I can't see this there. Yeah, this is gonna have a big drop off. At 4, there's no way this is gonna have a big sell off. All right, cool. Just the way that 4 and the candlestick is closing. So if this was at the bottom, then yeah, I'll probably have more faith for it to push up. But ideally, the next move where I want to buy from will be down here. Or unless if I get a break above that 5-minute resistance of down, look to buy. Or it's got to be a crazy candlestick pattern around our demand area. If our demand zone, if you get a create like a here we go. That's the hit I'm talking about. Yep, that's the one I was talking about. I said it, and that's the hit. That's the one I said I was waiting for. I knew it. All right, part of the game. That's our last trade. That one's a bit upsetting as well because that one on my accounts was 70 pips. It was a bit higher on the risk. But it is what it is. We didn't get the move. So, all right, cool. So we lost our first trade of today. It's one of those days. No sweat. No sweat. No sweat. And the annoying thing is, what about this, yeah? If price don't, if price looks, if I get a formation around this, around a demand zone, it's gonna irritate me to the max because that was an unnecessary trade to lose for no reason. I said we're gonna get that push. I knew it. We're gonna get that push. It's what it is, man. Part of the game. This is part of the game. If that closes as a hammer, that's gonna annoy me, man. Anyhow, a dragonfly doji. If that closes a dragonfly doji, that's really going to annoy me. All right, cool. We've got 2 minutes. Let's wait for this candlestick to close. Let me take it from there. Right. So yeah, I've just literally just bought on gold now. Literally caught it. Sorry, I should have I thought I unmuted the mic, but I didn't. But this is actually this is probably going to be my last trade of the day. Take 2 trades, that's it. If the market there, so my stop loss is going to be at 39.850. Yeah, and yeah, and as you know, my target of 100 pips. So let's see how this trade plays out. It's a bit annoying though. Like the thing with trading is you gotta understand, yeah, is that you don't want to risk. Probably my stop loss from before should have been way down here, but the problem is you don't. I'd rather just get stopped out from here, knowing that the market is actually rejecting off this level, rather than just have a big stop loss and the market is just looking to go down towards the downside. So at the moment, yeah, it's how this trade plays out. But I am gonna, like I said, if it closes above our 5-minute resistant level, then I am gonna place another trade as well. So let's see how this market plays out. So like this could just actually shoot back down, literally. But if it stays like this, the market push towards the outside, this looked like this go down a little stop hunt, took everybody's stop loss out, and now it's ready to move towards the upside. So yeah, let's just wait and see how this trade plays out. So remember, our stop loss is at on this one's 29.38. 29.38. That's our stop loss. Don't play about with me. If this closes as a shooting star, that's gonna annoy me. I'm done for today. I'm actually gonna wait for the market to come down around this level or break above our 5 minutes before I even look to put any more trades on. Literally put any more trades on. It's been a tough one to take. Actually, the first trade is just annoying. It happens to me all the time, if I'll be honest with you. You know, the market's gonna this is the level that the market wants to come down to, take everybody's stop loss, because sometimes if it doesn't push up straight away, what you notice that the market knows everybody's stop loss is down here. So it does like they call it a stop loss sweep, and it does it. And you just can't be disheartened by it. Just look, it's having a stop loss hunt, does the sweep, takes everybody's stop loss, then it goes up again. You are gonna, it's hard to avoid the stop loss hunt. But if you get caught in it, you get caught in it. It's just part of the game. You just got to live with it and deal with it. Is this what I'm worried about? Is this, you see where the market finds? So look, that looks perfect for the market to shoot up. Hopefully we can get a nice move towards the outside. Wow, look at that on the 3-minute. What was that? See, it wasn't giving us much confirmation on the 1 minute EO. Like Dragonfly Doji. I said it, you know. I need to watch this back. I said I can see this coming down. The only way I was gonna come into this trade if we get a Dragonfly Doji. And look what it done. It gave us a Dragonfly Doji. We need to get back into this trade, but I do need this to close above our temporary SR line here. Price needs to close above our SR line. And then, yeah, hopefully we should get moved towards the upside. All right, cool. So we're going to let this trade play out. It's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy. Let's see. Hopefully this trade can play out. And we take it from there. So right, finally got the move on gold. Hopefully this trade should hit RTP, but I'm actually upset though. You know why I'm upset? Because obviously we got done for a stop loss sweep. To everyone stop loss, and then we had that move towards the upside. If you watch go when I was in the first trade, watched just go skip to earlier bit in this video, try go back a bit, and I literally said what was going to happen. So yeah, we need a break above this 5-minute resistance level, if I'll be honest, for us to hit our TP. But if this closes a shooting star, this is more or less going to take us back up. So we are 50 pips in profit. So we're definitely going to have to break even on all our trades. So now we just move all our stop loss to break even. If I was to close the trade now, that means we'd be back at would have broke even today and not made no money or lost no money. But we're gonna hold this trade. Let's see if it hits our TP. So ideally, we're gonna be 30 pips in profit today, and that'll be my last trade for today, people. If I'll be honest with you, I'm not gonna even place no other trades after this. Tell a lie. What am I talking about? I did say if price did break up our 5-minute resistance level, then I'm gonna take a trade on my funding pips account, not on my main account. So I won't be trading on my main account. But it's good to know that this trade is literally, it's at break even right now. So I'm just going to move our stop loss to break even. I am disappointed with our first trade. I'm not even going to lie to you. I am very disappointed. I felt like that was a nice move. Obviously, I had a feeling the market was going to hit our stop loss and go have a stop loss hunt, take everybody's stop loss, and then go hit our original TP. But it is what it is. It's part of trading. It's the game. Yeah. So right, you know what? If this breaks above, I need a full candlestick closure above. So yeah, I do need a full. Funny enough, we close above this shooting star. So I did say if we did close above our shooting star, I would look to buy. Probably gonna buy another position on my funding pips account. We're gonna go buy another position, take another position on that. Fuck it. Not fuck it, but you know what I mean. Let's take another position on that. Yeah. So, cool. We're all set, you know, ready to go. All right, cool. We're going to take another position on my funding and pip account. We're going to buy. And then where would the stop loss be? So this stop loss, if we was to take another buy position, $24.96, and we would hold this for 100 pips as well. So remember, I'm just showing this. $24.96. Cool. So remember, I've got two accounts. I've got an account where I like to trade very aggressive. I'm trade very aggressive on this account. So aggressive. It's not even a joke. I do have a lot of loss on my funding pips account, but I do like, yeah, I take a lot more trades on that account. So it's always good for me for trading. I feel like you should have two accounts. One to get that aggressiveness. If you're an aggressive trader, then the way I trade, I don't really trade aggressive. So to counter it and get that aggressiveness out of you, you should have two accounts. So that's what I like to do. So I've got my main account where I literally take two trades. I don't even take more than two trades on that. And yeah, that's the account that actually pay me. So cool. We got that close above that 5-minute resistant level. Hopefully we should hit our first trade target. So Let's see. We should hit. I don't see why not. Let's trade it like it's going good right now. So let's see. All right, people. So we're gonna let this trade run. Shall I stay with you? Let's see if it hits live. Why I stay with you? Cool. I'm gonna stay with you. Let's see if it hits. Come on, let's hit the. Come on, come on. Let's see if it hits. Come on, come on. Just gotta make this a bit target cover. It's a bit too. Oh, let's see if it hits. Oh no. Yeah, a bit too like. Put it back down to 10%. Alright, Carl, I was gonna stay live if you like while it hits, but it looked like it's not gonna have that big push, but we're not even far off. We're actually like 20 pips away from it. So literally less than 10 pips. Let me just double check. How many pips are we away from our TP? Yeah, we're like 20 pips away from it. Let's hope it hits. So now, even me controlling my emotions now, a lot of people be like, why don't you just take the trade? Like, you're only 20 pips away from your TP. But like, trust me, I've done it loads of times and you see the trade shoot on and smash past my TP. And there's been many a times where it's been 4 pips away from it in TP and the trade's come back all the way down and broke even on me. And I've like literally let go of all those pips, like literally 95 pips I've just let go. And I'll be honest with you, like, I talk to you lot pips because I want you lot to understand it's about pips. Forget about money. It's just that can you accumulate amount of this pips a week? That's what you have to try. And really have that mindset of like how many pips you're trying to earn this week. Like, if you look at it as money, then you get distracted. Especially if you're not making as a trader, and let the money come afterwards. But you have to be a consistent trader. Like, I can earn this much amount of pips this week. Oh, look, we are literally like 10 pips away now. Do we take or let it hit TP? I think this is going to smash TP, if I'll be honest with you. We're literally that 12 pips away from TP. Hopefully it smashes it and then it moves on. Come on, just hit that TP for me. Come on. Oh my gosh. We're literally 10 pips away. That's crazy. 20 pips away. It's just annoying. So annoying. Literally 20 pips away from it. Wow, and look at the way this closed above our 5-minute resistance level. So what we can have here now is a nice what could happen is have a little pullback and then boom. That's what could happen. All right, cool. So I've tried to stay with you to see if this is gonna hit our TP while I'm here, but yeah. As I trade, I don't really like to stare at the charts like this. Only because I'm live right now, is why I'm at the charts 24/7. Normally I just go and do something like literally, I don't know, just try and find to do something else, do a little bit of research and come back and check the trade in 5 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to mute the mic and then, yeah, we'll be back in 5 minutes and see how this plays out. So there we have it, people. Our TP's hit 100 pips on gold. Like I said, normally I would be happy about this trade, which I should be, but a bit upset. Obviously, we lost the first trade. Like I said, got done for the stop hunt, price stop hunt, and then, like I said, the only way I was gonna buy it if I did see Dragonfly Doji, which I did, and then the price shot up, and then we are. Now we have hit our TP of 100 pips. So today, I've ended today with around a profit of around 35 pips, which is all right. Normally I would just like, the main thing is we didn't lose. It could have been a lot worse. So we could have been down 100 and odd pips, so at least 120 pips. So I'm quite happy to leave with 30 pips, which is not bad. But like I said, it was a bit annoying that we got done by that stop hunt. And then, like I said, I knew the price wanted to push towards the upside. And I did say if to close this, like I said, the first trade, initial trade, if price, this candlestick closes as a shooting star, I would be worried. But if it closed down below our demand zone, then I would expect price to push towards the downside, which it didn't. And I did say if it doesn't, then the only way I was gonna buy if I see a hammer or a greystone dragonfly doji, which I did, and price shot up. And then moving on to our second trade, we took that's the second trade we took, and then our third trade, this is on my aggressive account, so this trade's played out. There's no point to keep, no point, don't even need to keep it. Get rid of that. Now we move on to our third trade, which is on my aggressive account. So if this goes on hit, that will make it a good day for my aggressive account. But yeah, in general, on my personal live accounts, we're still up around 30 pips, which is, I'll take that. It's not bad. So yeah, that probably mean no more trading this week on my live accounts. That's gonna be it. Done. Wait till Monday. Just in general where the market is as well. For me to actually go back on my live account, I got to see price come back down around to this 4 hour. The price was come back down to our 4 hour swap zones. Then yeah, I will look to place a buy. But like I did say, I'm expecting gold to hit all-time high today, touch around those levels, which it has. If it breaks it, then boy, it might just fly up, if I'll be honest with you. Gold can actually fly up, but like I said, with this trade, I'm gonna leave this to run so you can see how this trade plays out. Should be moving into break even pretty much soon. So like if it goes 50 pips in profit, then we're gonna go break even on this trade. Yeah. So that's it, people, man. That's all the trades that I've taken today. Yeah, can't complain. Literally cannot complain. Literally cannot even complain. Cannot complain today. So right, yeah, we're gonna leave this trade to play out. And yeah, that's it, people. And I will see you on the next one. So there you have it. Like I said before, I could see this was gonna happen. Price was gonna shoot up. And yeah, look, target 2. My third trade hit as well. So that's it for me for today, people. Gold is literally hit its all-time high as well. I can see it hitting the 3,000 mark at some point. I can see it touching this level here in the near future. But for now, that's me done for trading today. Yeah, literally it's been all right, not too bad. Caught this trade, obviously not on my main accounts, but yeah, man, literally played out pretty well. I did say I expected price, with price broke this resistance level, I could see it shooting up, and it did. And yeah, there we have it. All right, so that's it for me for trading today. I hope it's been a good insight to how I like to trade. And yeah, I'll see you again. Probably won't see me tomorrow, but you see me again next week. All right, take care, people.